Lee Wetherington Homes is a custom luxury home builder building in Sarasota and Manatee counties, and we've been in business now close to 45 years. We build homes for customers moving from all over the country, all over the world in some cases, some moving within Florida, but typically people are looking to us to build one of their final homes. They've worked their lives now to make it to this point, and they want to build a home to their designs and standards. We're in some of the nicest communities here in Sarasota and Manatee County, and we're just really thankful for the opportunity to build in this community and to give back to the community. We've certainly been using PGT for a long time now. It's at least the last 10 years we've been using PGT, and probably longer in some applications. As we got more into the luxury market and the custom home building market, PGT we found is really the best company to meet our needs and the needs of our customer. There's a lot of benefits to using the kind of windows and doors that PGT offers. First of all, they're a local company for us. They're native to Florida. They're in our primary county where we do business. We always like to source and use local businesses and local vendors whenever possible. We know the people here at PGT. I've known the CEO for a long time. I know the VP of operations and a lot of the people all the way down the line, and have done business with them for a long time, so we trust them as people to do business with. They're flexible in terms of what we need. We build custom homes, so a lot of times we're looking for custom openings or custom applications. In our homes we use 10-foot, 12-foot sliders. We use disappearing corner sliders. We do butt glass windows or large fixed glass panels, and also a lot of different custom sizes, because people are coming to us, sometimes they're modifying a plan that we have or doing one from scratch, and then the windows are designed to fit the size and the use of the room, and therefore we may need a custom window. PGT can help us with virtually anything that we want to do, and so that really is a big benefit to us. This may sound a little strange, but a lot of people, when they buy a home, they build a custom home, they don't immediately think about the windows and the doors and how they're going to impact the appearance of the home, the aesthetics of the home. But having been a custom home builder for a long time, for many decades now in this area, we know how critical the windows and the doors and how they come together, and the shapes and the location of the windows and the doors in a home are to the livability of a home. So one of the nice things about working with PGT is, as we're designing the home, we can do what's right for the livability of the home and for the customers, even if they haven't thought about it. So for example, if you're taking advantage of a lake view, or if you have a preserve view out the side of your home, or you have neighbors that maybe are close and you don't want to look at them, what's nice about PGT is we can do high fixed glass windows, we could do very large picture windows, we could do large sliding glass doors, 10 or 12 foot high. We can do a variety of different things that will impact someone's livability, even when they don't necessarily think about themselves. The most important room, I think most people will agree, is the kitchen. A lot of people refer to that as the heart of a home. And so the kitchen is generally inside, and so you won't always have windows right off the kitchen, but the way we design our homes with open plans, you can see most of the rest of the home from the kitchen. And so a big part of what we do is design and orient our kitchens so that as you're looking out to the pool, for example, or to the lanai, you're looking through the best possible expansive window or door that you can, to let a lot of light in, to take advantage of a view. A lot of the homes we build have beautiful views of the water or nature preserves or golf courses, and so you'll have expansive sliding glass doors, or you'll have aquarium windows, or in many cases you'll have a disappearing glass door that will take advantage of that view from the kitchen. You will also, from time to time, someone will want to do even a glass backsplash where you can see underneath the cabinets, or have high transom windows above the cabinets. And what's nice is PGT can help us design whatever size and style of those windows we would like to put into the kitchen. One of the things that I believe makes PGT stand out from other companies, and this is a very big determining factor in terms of the companies that we like to do business with at Lee Wetherington Homes. If there's a problem with a window or a door, I know that PGT is going to stand behind it. I will take a company that has a good warranty and is maybe even more expensive over a company that I can get a cheaper price for a product that I'm not sure I can rely on all day long. Because our customers are spending a lot of money with us, we want to know that we're putting the best possible products and best possible materials into the homes that will last for a generation or more. And so PGT They stand behind their product. They spend a lot of time developing the best possible products. I've been down and toured their factory and their facilities and their research departments, and they're always working on something new and something better and something cutting edge. And that's the kind of company that we like to do business with. As a luxury custom builder, offering a higher level of service is one of the things that we try and do. Let's face it, a lot of builders use the same materials. Even the floor plans aren't that different. There's only so many ways you can order a 3-bedroom or 4-bedroom home. We use a lot of the same trades and vendors, suppliers, etc. But one of the things I think that we offer differently to our customers is the customer experience. And so when I'm looking to buy a product, I'm always looking for how a company can do that for us. What's our customer experience going to be like? So we had a situation last year where we had a customer, and because of some of the supply chain disruptions, we were getting to the point where we were ordering windows very early in the process. That customer, we ordered the windows, which is a significant investment on our part, and then their deal had to cancel. And I won't go into the details on that, but we were left with these windows in order to put them. Now, we, of course, turned around and called our distributor, that would be All Glass, great company, we love doing business with them, and PGT, and said, hey, what can we do about this? Because we didn't want to pay a restocking fee. These are an expensive package, and we thought we might be able to use the windows again. And so they both got together, PGT and All Glass worked together to warehouse the windows for us for a short period of time, and then to portion out those windows in orders over the next couple of months so that we were able to use all those windows in other homes. And because we're a custom builder, we looked and saw what the inventory was. If it was a normal window that we put in, we could move it, or if we want to design a window or a door to fit what was in that, we were able to do it, and we used all the windows, which was great. So there's a lot of benefits for us to use a company like PGT.